Hello, Rhonda here with a full body strength workout. All you'll need is one bar. This is 15 pounds, but you use the weight that's appropriate for you. If you don't have a bar, you can also use a pair of dumbbells. Let's go ahead and get started with our warm-up. Place the bar over your traps and shoulders. Bring your feet a little bit wider than hip distance apart. Squat down. Make sure the knees are tracking over the second, third toe. Modify if needed, taking a little bend in the knees. Grip the bar right in the middle of it for the one-arm row. Take a big step forward with one foot and then the other, keeping your torso upright and chin parallel to the ground. Stand tall. Keep your core engaged as you reach that bar up towards the ceiling. Take a wide step with your right leg to the side of you. Both your toes should be pointed in the same direction and your feet should be flat on the floor. Lift and lower the bar about shoulder height, keeping the core engaged. Focus on lowering the bar with control. Keep the legs straight as you hinge at the hips with a neutral spine. Really engage that core as you send those hips back for good mornings. This exercise is also called stiff-legged deadlifts. For the backhand row, you'll have an underhand grip. Keep a nice long line from the crown of your head to your tailbone. Draw the bar towards your belly button. Switch the grip to overhand for a hinge and upright row. Bring your hands about shoulder width distance apart as you hinge at the hips and bring the bar up towards your chest, bringing the elbows out to the side. Switch back to an underhand grip. Grip the bar hip width distance apart as you come into a back lunge and bicep curl at the same time, alternating one foot back and then the other. Bring the bar up towards the ceiling. Bend and flex at the elbows, keeping the elbows pointed forward. Keep the core engaged. Slight bend at the knees. For a more effective workout, rewind and repeat this circuit 1 or 2 more times. Nice job!